let's continue by plugging in some of these connectors and this, I think this is the Evap system. So that plugs in right there, just clips in. That goes in here somehow. Let's see. I should have done this one first. Yep, there we go. And that clips in there. And then this part clips in to that right all the way back here. Just hold on to that. And there it is. So we're good with that. I believe this wiring harness, I can't remember if it goes on top or the bottom of this. I don't think it really matters. But what it does matter, I guess it does matter. Let's plug this again. This is going to go underneath. Okay. So let's plug these injectors back in. Below that. This piece goes right there. This red piece connects to the Evap system right here. There we go. Plugged in. And the final injector on this side. This connects to the coils that we're going to plug in. And there's one more, which is that little piece. And that goes right there on the head. So let's see, how is this oriented? This way. Looks like a piece of plastic fell off of here. There we go. Probably going to end up getting some electrical tape around here so that that doesn't fall off. And then this goes to the alternator, both of these. Let's see, does this plug in? Yep. This plugs in right here. There it is. Gotta get this green piece out first. Push it in, and then that locks it. Okay. If I remember correctly, this is gonna be guided underneath the throttle body. That goes over there. Alright, so pretty much all the wires that we could have plugged in have been plugged in. These kind of connect to the clips right there. And I'm assuming this one, there's a clip somewhere later on that this connects to. Alright, let's move on to the passenger side. Okay, now on the passenger side, we'll do a very similar process. First connect that one right there, push that clip through, connect that injector, and this injector. Let's put that clip right there. This is hooked on around this one right there. And plugs in. I should have plugged it in first. The throttle body up front. Alright. Passenger side wiring harness is pretty much done. This plugs into the coils as well. This little tube that's attached to this one. Actually, let's plug this one in as well. So this goes into right there on the throttle body. There's a little tube sticking out. And then if you remember from last time, there's a little, I guess that coolant pipe has that bolt. The other portion of it attaches right there. So from this tube, there's a little pipe that runs right there, and it connects right there. Now we're good. We'll just tighten this bolt down, and wiring harness is going to be complete on this side. On the driver's side, from the throttle body, there's a small little coolant hose that connects to that crossover pipe, which is right there. So we just need to slide that coolant hose to there and tighten it down. Okay, so that piece has been reattached. From what it looks like, I mean, I kind of looked it over. I think we're going to start working on the steering rack next. So if yours is like mine, where it's just hanging out the passenger side, right there, I'm basically going to shove this back now through there and aim it back through the driver's side, over there somewhere. So let's see how long this takes.